Okay, we are going to discuss about a source transformation example. Okay, it is very simple concept whereby how we can transform from current in parallel, okay, vice versa with voltage in series, okay, like this. If for example we have this example, we have your Vs over here, your Ra over here. If your Vs equal to 3 volt, your Ra equal to 50 ohm, propose another vice versa source transformation. So this is your Vs and your Ra in series, right? Then we are going to transform into this, your current and your resistor in parallel. You know that V equal to IR, right? So you know that your Is equal to V over R. If your V equal to 3 volt, your R equal to 50 ohm, then you will have your Is equal to 0.06 ampere. So here Is equal to 0.06 ampere, and you must remember that your RB here, RB equal to Ra, which is equal to 50 ohm. Now you must understand this is the concept of source transformation.